The train full and the train can't hold no more, boy. The train can't hold no blood clot more. You don't understand, the train can't hold no more. The people are tired, the people want to be and go to their Saturday. They work from Monday to blood clot Friday. And the train them full and people are spending money by token. Them need to run the service them better than blood clot that. Me a Jamaican, that me say. You have people in here, come on, I'm close to menopause. I can't take this shit. I'm close to menopause, y'all. And you know, I just won today because I didn't want to get sick and I'm sweating bullets back here, man. The train is full and I'm stuffing everybody like a pack of sardines. I wonder if they think we're sardine this morning. No, man, if you do better, when we put this out, everybody will see the train full. And I bet somebody will come at the door and try to get in. We tight like virgin in here, we can't hold no more. I bet somebody will come at the door now and try to come in. You coming up, baby? Alright. You want to sit down like a boy? Sit down. Sit down, Papa. Come sit down. Make him sit down because he's young. He don't have no kids yet. The train full, me tell you. The train full. Let all the people out of the train. Let all the blood clot people out of the train. Make somebody else come in on the train. No, if you come out before they can't come in, wait. The place tight like virgin in your wait. What is so, Jesus? You feel no say they can't blood clot fit in the way you talk for. But I could have what is. If you know, no, sir. Look at me for step until the next ride. I can't come back down the ground. Can't know whether if me stand up. But Jesus help my Father in here today. Listen, I don't know why God in here, but in here tight like a virgin. Boy, everybody are local. Everybody, baby, you alright? Where your mommy there? You behave yourself, you're a good girl? Alright.
The whole signal up in front, ladies and gentlemen. We got them in Shelley.
Close the door. The speaker in my ear, I can't sing no song. Lord Jesus, I can say, Father, help us, America gone bad. Father, help us, America gone bad. Me not get no food stamp and me no sad. America gone bad. We don't close the blood clot train now. We want blood clot move, but what is? We not cost nobody the train packer in a tight like a virgin. No, but are your wife that next to you? When your wife a girl for your cocky your cost. When your wife a girl for your cocky your cost, go away. The cocky go small. Where you about me for boy? And she know what you too, because she a smile. All they can do is lick her like a lollipop. Go away, boy. But anyway, the train a move now. I'm going to behave myself. Yes.